Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it. Oh.
Krijg copyright strike.
Okay, so as you've seen in the previous video, we now have two axles, and there's a big job ahead of us to kind of combine the two, merge one part with the other part and make the greatest axle of them all. I think that's not too difficult. Knock on rust. Knock on rust. And there's just a lot of fun stuff ahead.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
Dat ook nog werkt. Oké, I saw I go. So yeah, we're really excited with our new bent axle. No?
Really excited with the new straight axle.
Our straight axle,
I
yes.
think we have to change our name.
Straight axles. We're really excited because we got the new rear axle, as you saw in the previous video. And today we're taking it to the next level. We're going to sandblast everything. We're going to make sure that all the rust has disappeared. Prep it for paint. Yeah, so you see a lot of shots with just making dust storms, rust.
Rusted storms.
Rusted storms. And hope you enjoy. now with our axle clean, the only thing that remains is to clean this part, which is like a conical shape, and the drum brake will press onto this. So this has to be really smooth. So let's tackle this. Some TLC. After what seems like countless weeks of sandpapering, angle grinding and cleaning, we're now finally at the point where we're going to paint all the suspensions parts. Did the final steps of roughing up the surface for better adhesion, and now all the parts which are ready to be painted are over there. This is our paint station, and that will be our paint hanging, drying area.
And what paint are we gonna use?
We're going to use, we've used this before, oil. This actually, you can paint this over rust. However, we de-rusted all of our parts, but this is a very good base coat, and then over which we're going to paint black. And this will stop rust for at least infinite years, and it's also used in boats. So if it's good enough for boats, it's good enough for us.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Sanded the shock dampers. We think they're fine, but they're ugly. So we're gonna make them beautiful. Time for primer. Oké.
Ik doe niks, hè?
One final change we need to make to our rear axle is to change out this mount. I got our drive axle here. As you can see, that's not compatible. I don't know why, but it's just the case. So I took this. Okay. So I took this off our old rear axle And I need to swap this out. I think it's just a simple undoing the bolt, putting it out and putting this back on. So that we can make it mate with our drive axle. Next.
Met een amer.
Weet je wel?
Zie je oprecht dat hout helemaal zo...
Gaat inderdaad niet...
Ja, maar je...
Zo.
Ik dacht dat het niet meer ging gebeuren hoor.
Assembly loop, normal loop. Let's go.